In this video, we'll be finding the joists, marking the joists, and installing the SmartTrack. Use a stud finder to find the two joists nearest the location marks and figure out which direction the joists run. Do the joists run parallel to the garage door, or perpendicular to the garage door? SmartTrack must be mounted perpendicular to joists, with a lag bolt as close to each end of the SmartTrack as possible. The two pieces of SmartTrack will be mounted exactly 15 inches apart from center to center. My lifters must be mounted on your SmartTrack in between joists, like this, not like this. If a joist runs through the middle of your location marks, you'll need to adjust the position of the marks so that all four marks are between joists. Once you've found the location and direction of your joists, make 4 more marks, one on each joist, in line with your original 4 marks. The second set of marks we'll call mounting marks, and that's where you will drill pilot holes and screw in your lag bolts to hold your SmartTracks in place. The location marks are where you will mount your carabiners and my lifters on the SmartTrack. Use the included drill bit and drill the first pilot hole using one of your location marks. Secure one end of the SmartTrack by screwing in the first lag bolt and washer using your ratchet, as a drill could strip the hole. Using the first bolt as a pivot point, position the SmartTrack over the second location mark. Use the drill bit and drill your second hole through the SmartTrack and into your joist. Install the second lag bolt and washer with your ratchet. Repeat this process for the second piece of SmartTrack, 15 inches from center to center and parallel with the first.